Hey everyone, kumusta? Today, I want to share with you guys some of common conversations, questions and answers. This can be helpful for you. Okay, so I will not teach today about grammar. I'll just share with you guys some common questions and answers that are very useful. Okay, let's begin. Uh, you wanted to ask someone, how are you? How do you say that? This one you already know. Maybe, kumusta ka? Or you can just say musta or kumusta. How do you respond that? Or how do you respond to that? You can say mabuti or mabuti naman. Now, if you are talking to an older person, to an elderly, so you can use po. Mabuti naman po. Okay? Okay, that is first. Next, what if you wanted to ask someone, what is your name? You wanted to ask me, what is my name? How do you say that? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? And how should someone respond to it? How should I respond it? I would say, I can say it in three ways. I can say, Che, ang pangalan ko. Start with my name and then ang pangalan ko. And then I can say, ako si Che, I am Che. Or I can say, Che, what was the first? Ako? One more time, sorry. Che ang pangalan ko. Ako si Che. Or ang pangalan ko ay Che. Okay, now which is more common? You can just say Che, ang pangalan ko, or just Che. Okay, Che, this is my name here. That's my pet name. Because my name is Sherilyn. That's my real name. Okay, ako si Che, ako si Sherilyn. Okay, next, the third one is, where are you from? This is also a common question. How do you ask someone, where are you from? You say, taga saan ka? Taga saan ka? Taga is from, saan is where, and then ka is you. Okay? Taga is only used for like from a place of origin. Okay, it's not used for like directions from a place to another. So it's different. Okay. Now, how do you respond if someone asks you, taga saan ka? Where are you from? You would answer it by saying taga plus the your place where you're from. For example, in my case, I would say taga Pilipinas ako. Taga plus my country, Philippines. Taga Pilipinas ako. Ako is I. Okay? And alright, so we already had have three. Next is, saan ka nakatira? What is saan ka nakatira? Saan ka nakatira is where are you from? I mean, where do you live? Sorry, I'm already so sleepy. It's already almost 12 here. I just miss vlogging. Saan ka nakatira is where do you live? And how do I respond to that? I would say nakatira. The last word which is live. Nakatira ako, and then sa is a preposition equivalent to in, on, at, or it can also be used in prepositional phrases such as next to, in front of the sa. Okay, so nakatira ako sa, and then plus the place. In my case, I would say nakatira ako sa Clark. Clark is in Pampanga. Clark is it's an air, I don't know about. Never mind. Okay. Next is, saan ka nagtatrabaho? Saan ka nagtatrabaho is also a common question. It means where do you work? Where do you work? um, how do you respond? You just repeat the last word, which is nagtatrabaho. You would say nagtatrabaho ako sa, and then the place where you are working. Halimbawa, in my case, for example, nagtatrabaho ako sa school, or nagtatrabaho ako sa paaralan. Paaralan is school. Okay. Okay, last but not the least, you wanted to ask someone, what do you do? What is your job? I would say, anong trabaho mo? Ano is what? Trabaho is job. Mo is your. If you watched my video about possessive adjectives, I discussed it there. So I suggest that you watch it for you to understand at least about this simple conversations. Okay, so how do you respond when someone asks you, anong trabaho mo, or what do you do, or what is your job? You would just say, for example, in my case, I would say, I'm a teacher, or you can just say, guro ako. Guro is teacher. Remember, the Tagalog sentence is always inverted. The conversational structure is inverted. It doesn't follow the English structure. So guro ako, or you can just use a Taglish, which is teacher ako. Okay, just like that. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope that you learned again something from me today, and watch out for my next videos. And I hope, guys, you would subscribe to my channel to see more of my upcoming lessons. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Paalam.